Towards shorthand left Pragraj. Legal dictation at the speed of 110 to 120 words per minute. So be ready. Start. The appeals and the writ petition raised a common question, as such were heard together and are being disposed of by this common judgment, full stop. The grievance of the appellant Abu Salem Abdul Qayyum Ansari in the appeals and writ petition is that the criminal courts in the country have no jurisdiction to try in respect of offences which do not form part of the extradition judgment, by virtue of which he has been brought to this country, and he can be tried only for the offences mentioned in the extradition decree, full stop. Para. Criminal appeal number 990 of 2006, filed under section 19 of the Terrorist and Disruptive Activities within bracket Prevention Act, 1987, bracket open, hereinafter referred to as the TADA Act, bracket close, arose out of framing of charge on 18/3/2006 against the appellant by the designated court at Arthur Road Jail, Mumbai, in RC number 1 within bracket S/93 CBI STF, known as Bombay Bum Blast Case number 1 of 1993, and the order dated 13/6/2006 passed by the said court separating the trial of the accused appellant from the main trial in the Bombay Bum Blast case, full stop. Para. In addition to filing of the above said appeals, the appellant has also filed writ petition within bracket criminal number 171 of 2006 under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, seeking to issue a writ of certiorari to quash the charges framed against him in Bombay Bum Blast case number 1 of 1993, arising out of RC number 1 within bracket S/93 CBI STF, by framing of charge on 18/3/2006 to issue a writ of certiorari to quash the order passed by the designated court under TADA Act dated 13/6/2006, passed in miscellaneous application number 144 of 2006, issue a writ of certiorari to declare that the charges framed on 18/3/2006, in Bombay Bum Blast case number 1 of 1993, as violative of the rule of speciality and section 21 of the Extradition Act, 1962, issue a writ of mandamus to release and discharge the writ petitioner by quashing all the proceedings against him, issue a writ of prohibition prohibiting the respondents from prosecuting the writ petitioner any further for the offences for which the petitioner has not been extradited by the Court of Appeals and Lisbon, as affirmed by the order of the Supreme Court of Portugal, issue a writ of prohibition prohibiting the designated court at Arthur Road Jail at Mumbai from separating the trial of the writ petitioner from the other accused whose trial is stated to have been completed, full stop. On 12/3/1993, there was a series of bomb explosions in the Mumbai city which resulted in death of 257 persons, injuries of various types of to 713 persons, and destruction of properties worth more than rupees 27 crores within bracket approximately, full stop. These bomb explosions were caused at vital government installations, public places and crowded places in the city and its suburbs, with an intention to overaway to government established by law, and to strike terror among the public at large, and also to adversely affect the peace and harmony among different sections of the people, full stop. 27 criminal cases were registered at respective police stations with regard to the said bomb explosions and subsequent recovery of arms, ammunitions, and explosives, which were illegally smuggled into the country with the intention to commit the said terrorist acts, full stop. ओके, इसको 4 से 5 बार लिखिएगा, तभी जाकर समझ में आएगा मैटर. वैसे लिखने वाले जो है बच्चे इसे लिख ही लेंगे पहली बार में ही, लेकिन यदि आप नहीं लिख पा रहे हैं तो प्रैक्टिस जो है कई बार करिएगा। इसमें 2 एक वर्ड जो हैं स्पेलिंग देख लीजिएगा, लास्ट में देखिए आएगा ओवर अवे, एक ही साथ लिखा हुआ है OVERAWE, और सबबर्ब्स SUBURBS, सबबर्ब्स। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।